Welcome all to the next topic of gravitation, in which we'll discuss about the satellite motion. Now, in the first part of satellite motion, we'll discuss about the orbital speed of a satellite, or what are the factors which is affecting the orbital speed of a satellite. So consider that a satellite is revolving around the Earth in a circular orbit, something like this, as you can observe. So this Earth is going to attract the satellite with some gravitational force. So we know that whenever an object is in circular motion, for moving a particle in circular motion, assume that uniform circular motion, centripetal force is required. So you can observe that the centripetal force is provided by the gravitational force exerted by Earth on this satellite. So by using this technique, we can find out what about the value of its orbital velocity. So just consider a situation that a satellite is revolving around a planet in a circular orbit of radius. Let's say the orbital radius is equal to nothing but r. So just remember that whenever we are representing this orbital radius, we need to measure or calculate the radius from center of planet to the center of mass of satellite, not from the surface of planet. It should be from the center of planet. So let's say a satellite S is revolving around Earth or a planet having taken as mass m, and the orbital radius is, I'm just representing it as nothing but r naught. And if it is moving with a velocity, let's say it is known as orbital velocity, represented by v naught, or orbital speed taken as v naught. So over here, as we discussed, for moving a particle in circular motion, it requires centripetal force. Over here, the centripetal force is provided by gravitational force of attraction between the satellite, let's say its mass is m, and the planet of mass m. So we can write the gravitational force equation, that is gmm divided by distance is r naught square. This is going to provide that centripetal force. We know that the equation for centripetal force is mv square divided by r. So from this equation, we can cancel this r naught and one r naught over here, and this m over here. Now just remember that the mass we neglected is nothing but the mass of satellite. So we can say that the orbital velocity of planet or orbital velocity of a satellite is not depends upon the mass of that satellite. It depends only on the mass of planet. So we can write this orbital velocity is gm divided by r naught. So this is the value of v square. So v can be written as under root of gm by r naught. So for calculation purpose, we can directly remember this equation for orbital velocity, root of gm divided by r naught, where g is universal gravitational constant, m is mass of that planet, not the mass of satellite, and r naught is nothing but the orbital velocity. So remember that orbital speed of satellite does not depend upon mass of satellite. Hope so that you understood what are the things to discuss in this class. If you are having a doubt, please contact. Thank you.